This is a beautiful picture of a hair salon. A salon is a place where people go to get a haircut, style their hair, wash their hair, and receive beauty treatments. The salon looks clean, modern, and well organized. Everyone looks busy. On the left side, a woman is sitting in front of a large mirror. She is smiling while looking at herself. A hairstylist is cutting a man's hair. In the middle of the picture, another hairstylist is blow-drying a little girl's hair. The little girl looks very happy. A woman is standing beside her and watching her haircut. In the front, another customer is getting her hair washed. The hairstylist is carefully washing her hair. The customer looks relaxed and comfortable. On the shelves, we can see many shampoo bottles, conditioners, hairsprays, combs, and brushes. There is a laptop on the reception desk. A small plant is also placed on the table. The salon has large windows. Sunlight is coming into the salon. The room looks bright and cheerful. The walls are decorated with shelves full of hair products. Everyone is busy doing their work. The hairstylists are friendly and professional. All the customers look happy and satisfied. Overall, it is a beautiful, clean, and busy hair salon. I would love to visit a salon like this.